Well, ladies and gentlemen, to all the officials, dignitaries, to all the family members here, a very warm welcome. Good morning to everyone and welcome to the third day of Apicon 2025. And today we celebrate our exclusive zone, the third day of celebration with Sanatra Healthcare. What an array of artists, because we have amazing performances back to back. That's why we have to cut short each and every performances due to the shortage of time. But in the Dhamsha Madhuri performance, I think the highlight, the sunlight was him. He's still there performing for us. So let him perform because we are really loving it, not liking but loving it. And Dhamsha গুলোকে একটুখানি সরিয়ে দেওয়ার জন্য রিকোয়েস্ট করব. Thank you so much. এবং ladies and gentlemen, now we will move forward with the next performance, and the next performance is dedicated to all the amazing energetic kids here. So where are all the kids here? Kids, come down, sit in front because up next is magic show. So where are all the kids here? I can see few of them. So those who can hear me out, especially this goes to all the parents here, those who can hear me out, come down, come running down because we are about to start off with the magic show, and with that we will have some amazing tricks where you can learn yourself also one magic trick from magician S.K. Sharma. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome, and we resume our cultural program here at day 3 at Epicon 2025 here at the exclusive zone of Sanatra Healthcare. And now we will start off with the Dhamsha Madhur because कुछ स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो थोड़ा सा शोर शराबा होने से ही अच्छा लगता है. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारा सेकेंड हाफ, दैट इज ऑफ द कल्चरल प्रोग्राम हियर बाय Sanatra, organized by Sanatra Healthcare. As of now, we move forward with the Dhamsha Madhur, and you can also come down and dance to the tunes of Dhamsha Madhur if you like, or else digital world hai, you will capture it always and anyways. So chaliye, moving forward with the next performance, that is the performance by the Dhamsha Madhur. Well, can we have a round of applause for S.K. Sharma for presenting a wonderful magic show for all the amazing audience here. Hope you liked it. पसंद आया कि नहीं? हाँ? तो एक बार तालियों की गूंज कहाँ है? मुझे सुनाई ही नहीं दिया. Well, now, ladies and gentlemen, we will move forward with our next cultural evening, with the next cultural program. So, as we all know that there are basically 6 forms of classical dance. When we talk about Kathak, it's from Uttar Pradesh. When we talk about Bharatanatyam, it is from Tamil Nadu. But we in Bengal, we have our own form of classical dance. And that classical dance has been inspired by none other than Rabindranath Tagore. His writing has transformed into many things. That can be poems, it has many stories, it has singing, and from that singing we have developed a form of classical dance, that is Ravindra Nritya. And now, ladies and gentlemen, in this very exclusive zone of Sanatra Healthcare, we will gift each and everyone present here a wonderful presentation of Ravindra Nritya by none other than Bonnishikha Dance Troupe, who have been performing Ravindra Nritya for the last 23 years, more than 2 decades of their dedication, their Shamarpan towards the dance form. And not only they have been performing here only in Bengal, but they have been recognized and they have been achieving all the clothes all over the globe. Internationally, they have been performing for last 2 decades, and now, ladies and gentlemen, they will put forward an amazing, mesmerizing, spellbinding show for everyone present here at Sanatra Healthcare exclusive zone here at Epicon 2025. And to lead forward and to make this show compactful and impactful, we have a Sutradhar here. So I will request Devangana to please come and host the next slot of the cultural program, that is for the Novindra Nitto. The amazing performance by sir, and ये तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा कि old is gold, and sir आपने क्या बेहतरीन तरीके से आपने ये वाला गाना हम लोगों को प्रेजेंट किया. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच, थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. अभी और एक जन आएंगे हमारे बीच जो है सनत्रा हेल्थ केयर के एक ऑफिशियल है, तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी मनीष पॉल जी, नाम में ही सेलिब्रिटी का एक एहसास है, तो मनीष पॉल जी आप आ जाए और आपका नेक्स्ट एक दो गाना, अगर कोई नहीं आ रहा है तो मनीष जी कंटिन्यू करेंगे, एक दो गाना उनके तरफ से होगा. और हालांकि ये जो स्टेज है ना ये ओपन है टू ऑल, मतलब एनीवन कैन कम अप एंड सिंग. जैसे सर ने यहाँ पर आके एक बेहतरीन पेशकश की है, वैसे अगर इफ यू आर ऑल्सो कंफर्टेबल यू कैन कम डाउन, वी विल गिव यू द कैरियोके ट्रैक, यू कैन सिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू योर विश, whatever song you are comfortable in. But as of now, Manish Paul ji आएंगे and he will sing a song for us here at Sanatra Healthcare exclusive zone, and then we will break for lunch. Actually, the lunch is already open, so you can go and enjoy the lunch as well. लेकिन उसके साथ साथ we can see a special guest here जो धामशा को देख रहे हैं कि है क्या चीज ये. तो ठीक है चलो, everyone has a curiosity level. But as of now, Manish ji, let's start off with the your performance here. Well, that was magician S.K. Sharma. एक बार clapping हो जाए उनके लिए. चलिए, wonderful. और जाते जाते सबको लॉलीपॉप दे के भी गए हैं, तो चलिए, तो दिल बड़ा हो गया और मुंह मीठा हो गया, दोनों ही काम हो गए. तो चलिए भी आगे बढ़ते हैं. So you have seen a few people, specifically 3 people roaming here and there in costume. Who are they? So let me just tell you, we have a short gig coming up next. So today we started off with a day where we have shown a small documentary on Shotoji Ray. He is one of the most celebrated and one of the prominent filmmaker, not only in India but worldwide, globally, and he has contributed some amazing pieces of his craft and art on the Indian cinematography, where it is the expectation at that moment of time was as not only at par but it succeeded what we expected. So there was a trilogy of Gupi Bain, Bagha Bain. If anyone knew, the backstory was Gupi Bain couldn't play any instrument and Gupi Bain couldn't sing any song with all the proper notes, and Bagha Bain couldn't he had an instrument of tabla type of thing and he couldn't play that. So he was given a boon by the ghost, the king of ghosts, but that they can eat whatever they feel like, they can roam about wherever they can go like, and they can sing amazingly and play the instrument amazingly. So it is a trilogy, matlab 3 parts in it. So we will have a small representation of Gupi Bain and Bagha Bain. So Gain matlab singing, so Gupi can sing, and Bagha Bain matlab bajana. So Bain. So Bagha can play. So we have a small skit. Please, ladies and gentlemen, please have the moment. It is only a 5 minutes of skit, so I will request everyone to stay back and have a look at the amazing part that will be portrayed here on stage for everyone present here. Gupi Bain, Bagha Bain from Hirok Raja Deshe. It is one of the trilogy of a masterpiece. Kids, you need to stay back. We are starting off with the magic show. So just now it will start. So requesting all the amazing energetic kids, we are going to start off with the magic show just right now. So those who are here and there, come down, run down. Please have your seat. We have a lamba line of seats. Please enjoy this because this is specially for the kids. Though magic has been considered apt for all ages, but especially we have done this for the kids. So all the kids, come running because we are all set to start off with the magic show now. And now we will be having an amazing performance, the first performance of third day, and let's welcome. बोलते हैं ना शुरू जब करते हैं तो भाग ढोल पिटा के करते हैं, तो आज भी वही होगा. This is an amazing instrument that was used in the royal families in Bengal way back in the Mughal और in the जब रॉयल फैमिलीज हुआ करती थी तब का. लेकिन अभी they are here, they entertain us all over during the Durga Pujas and few of the pujas that we have. But as of now, ladies and gentlemen, presenting you the first performance of the third day of Abicon 2025, the Dhamsha Madol performance. So I will request আমাদের প্রত্যেকজন আর্টিস্ট যারা ধামসা মাদল বাজাবেন একটুখানি মঞ্চে চলে আসার জন্য, and will request each and everyone who are here to please come down to our specific exclusive zone of Sanatra Healthcare, because we are going to start off with the very first performance of the day, that is with the Dhamsha Madol performance, and we will be having some amazing performance whole day throughout the day. So let's start off with the very first performance of the Dhamsha Madol, and then we will move forward to the next cultural event. The bowl performance here, as you all know that here the next performance will be by the minstrels who have been roaming around in the areas of Bengal and Bangladesh. Now they have dedicated themselves to the supreme power, to the Almighty, and they have dedicated themselves in a way where they have just to enjoy the journey of life. They have just translated that into the song, and that is called Baul song. So I request all the Bauls to come up on stage and set their instruments here. Yes, and along with that, আপনাদের রিকোয়েস্ট করবে একটু ধামসা মাদল গুলো এটা ধামসাটাকে সরিয়ে দেওয়ার জন্য. এবং I have heard that few people are amazing singers here. So anyone who wants to come up and sing, anyone? We are here because this is a third day of celebration, and we have got some amazing singers here who have presented with their craft of singing. So anyone, ma'am, आप आओगे थोड़ा सा गाना गाने, थोड़ा सा नहीं. So anyone who is interested, yes, please sit for me. Anyone who is interested to come up on stage and sing a little song is most welcome here. The stage is amazing, and the stage is decorated in a way that upholds the culture, upholds the tradition of Kolkata. Is one of the work that is called terracotta work, where you can also purchase terracotta work. We have a bazaar at that side where you can get yourself Baluchudi shadi and all kinds of shadis. We have Putul from Krishnanagar, which is very famous again here in Bengal. We have terracotta work. So there is so much more, and obviously when we talk about Bengalis, we talk about Mishti. So Mishti is also there, so you can go and get a handful of it and also like gift it to your family members when you go back home. But as of now, we will require a little bit of time to settle with the next instruments, next performance, so that will be the bowl performance. Let me just go down and have a chit chat कि कौन कहाँ से आया है. That's it. उतना भी ज़्यादा नहीं. And तब तक I think इन लोगों का setup भी हो जाएगा. So let me just take the time of utilizing it by knowing. Because ये सूत्रधार Isa, I will be leaving as of now. So please ভালো থাকবেন, ভালো রাখবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন, সুস্থ রাখবেন. Be good, do good, and good will come to you. So take